Welcome. We are presenting the two-step process to install and to use the emergency bypass on an AFS Essential. The emergency bypass procedure is used on the AFS Essential in cases of system malfunction. The aim of the emergency bypass procedure is to bypass the production steps of the purification process, represented by the blue dash, to feed directly the distribution part, in the red dash on the flow schematic. This emergency bypass kit includes a pressure regulator and a flow controller. The first step is to install the designated emergency bypass kit. Here is the reference of the kit to order for installation. Open the box carefully. Take each component out of the box and check the kit is complete using the contents list found on the Lab Water Field Service Support database. Put the system into standby mode by clicking once on the upper button on the system screen. Close the tap feed water to the purification unit. Using a tubing cutter, cut the 8mm black tubing of the incoming feed water. Install the pressure regulator provided in the kit. Make sure the pressure regulator is set to a pressure regulator greater than 1 bar. Remove the existing tube on port number 1 of the system and install the black tubing with the female quick connector provided in the kit. Connect the two quick connectors together until you hear a click. The installation of the feed water tube is complete. Close the in and out water taps under the reservoir. Disconnect the transparent 8mm tubing on port number 7 of the system. Install the transparent tubing with the male quick connector provided in the kit. On the transparent 8mm tubing removed from port number 7, install the female quick connector. Connect the two quick connectors together until you hear a click. At this step, restart the system in order to check that there is no leak, then go to the next step. Following the installation of the kit, we are now proceeding to the second step of the demonstration, which is how to use the emergency bypass procedure. In order to do this, disconnect the power cord to the transformer to switch off the system. Disconnect the quick connectors. One is located on the black tubing of the feed water going to port number 1, and the other is located on the transparent tubing leaving port number 7 of the system. Disconnect the tubing where the flow controller provided in the kit is located. Connect together the black tubing and the two transparent tubings. It is important to respect this color code to avoid mistakes in the procedure. Install a new Q guard and final filter if necessary. To do so, unlock the Q guard cartridge by moving up the locker mechanism and pull the cartridge towards you. Install the new cartridge. Fix the bottom part first and then push the upper part of the cartridge to position it correctly. Lock it by pulling down the locking mechanism. Open the distribution tap in order to rinse the new Q guard during 3 minutes. Then, the tap feed water will pass through the newly installed Q guard and direct to the analyzer. Adjust the pressure on the pressure regulator by lifting the adjustment knob and turning it to increase or decrease the pressure based on the analyzer's specifications. Lock it in position by pushing down on the adjustment knob. The procedure of installation and use of the emergency bypass is now complete. This procedure is set up when any problem occurs and does not allow full operation of an AFS essential.